Welcome to quiz time. 10 questions. Let's see how many you can get right. Question 1. What is the fastest land animal? A. Cheetah. B. Lion. C. Gazelle. D. Horse.
The answer is A. Cheetah. Cheetahs can accelerate faster than most sports cars, reaching speeds up to 70-75 miles per hour, 112 to 120 kilometers per hour. Question 2. What is the largest ocean on Earth? A. Pacific Ocean. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Southern Ocean.
The answer is A. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the deepest and largest ocean, covering roughly 1/3 of Earth's surface. Question 3. What planet has rings? A. Saturn. B. Mars. C. Earth. D. Venus. The answer is A. Saturn. Saturn's rings are primarily made of billions of ice particles, ranging in size from dust to mountains. Question 4. What is the tallest mountain? A. Mount Everest. B. K2. C. Mount Kilimanjaro. D. Mont Blanc. The answer is A. Mount Everest. Mount Everest grows about 4 millimeters taller each year due to tectonic plate movement. Question 5. What animal has the longest neck? A. Giraffe. B. Ostrich. C. Elephant. D. Camel. The answer is A. Giraffe. A giraffe's neck can be over 6 feet, 1.8 meters long, yet contains the same number of vertebrae as a human neck. Question 6. What is the smallest planet? A. Mercury. B. Mars. C. Venus. D. Earth. The answer is A. Mercury. Mercury has an extremely thin atmosphere called an exosphere, composed of atoms blasted off its surface. Question 7. What is the deepest ocean trench? A. Mariana Trench. B. Tonga Trench. C. Puerto Rico Trench. D. Sunda Trench. The answer is A. Mariana Trench. Its deepest point, Challenger Deep, is nearly 7 miles deep and experiences immense pressure. Question 8. What animal can change color? A. Chameleon. B. Lion. C. Elephant. D. Penguin. The answer is A. Chameleon. Chameleons change color for camouflage, communication, and to regulate body temperature. Question 9. What is the hottest planet? A. Venus. B. Mercury. C. Mars. D. Earth. The answer is A. Venus. Venus's thick atmosphere traps heat, causing extreme surface temperatures that can melt lead. Question 10. What is the largest land animal? A. African bush elephant. B. Giraffe. C. White rhinoceros. D. Hippopotamus. The answer is A. African bush elephant. African bush elephants can weigh over 6 tons, making them the heaviest land mammals on Earth. Thanks for playing. Subscribe for more fun quizzes every day.